Boys and girls, we are back. Oh, little vapey. The heads are off. This is all the stuff that was left in the engine. There's the pistons. There's the crank. See the discoloring? See how it got rough there? But if you look, these things look perfect. But it got rough here. This was a computer controlled truck. So. Oh, she's yelling at the kid. But yeah, the pistons don't look bad. Rings, most of the rings are free. Let's look over here. So, ooh, let me get a flashlight. All right. So these cylinders, I own them. Hold on. Yeah, I got the cylinder owned. So these haven't been owned. They're real shiny. They're all glazed over. This one I wiped down. Might do it one more time because I still see scuffing right here. I mean, of course, there's going to be scuffing, but yeah, they're coming along. That doesn't look bad underneath either. Not bad to where we can't. Jesus. Boys and girls, look at that. Goes from this butchered, burnt up piece of crap to that. Literally 5 seconds with the own. I backed the spring all the way out. I don't have much material left on there, but cleaned them right up. Impressive. Let's see if it works for the main bearing caps. Alright, a little update. That's a clean one. This one I haven't cleaned yet, but not bad, not bad. So now over here, I cleaned them up. I used 400. None of these. Can't feel those. Or is it this one you could feel? It's in between the bearing. We'll see. I'd say fuck it and send it. If we get that to polish up nice. We will see, boys and girls. We will see. But here she is. The shine came right off. So the cylinders don't look that bad. Rings look good. None of the rings are seized. But I have to change them. It did smoke. After the engine seized. It smoked like pretty good. So change those. Change the seals. New bearings, new rings, new seals, new gaskets, put it back together. Yeehaw.